This video shows a Segway robot from the University of Texas at Austin competing in the finals of the 2007 RoboCup at Home competition, which featured home assistant robots performing various challenging tasks. This demonstration combines a few tasks which will likely be performed by a future home assistant robot. The robot learns a human's appearance, follows the human with his back turned, distinguishes the human from a similarly clothed stranger, and adapts when it notices that the human has changed his clothing. For this task, we introduce a novel two-classifier architecture using the subject's face as a primary identifying characteristic and his shirt as a secondary characteristic.
Hello, I am studying your face. Please slowly move your head up and down and side to side.
The robot takes 50 samples of the subject's face and shirt while the subject moves to vary the robot's perspective.
Please tell me your name after the beep. I know you now. If you start walking, I will follow you.
When the face, used by the primary classifier, is not visible, the shirt is being tracked by the secondary classifier. The secondary classifier works using a form of color blob detection. Because only their shirts are visible, the Segway loses track of the subject when passing a stranger wearing a similarly colored shirt.
This is a stranger. I have lost you. I will look for you.
The stranger's face has been correctly classified as unknown. The conflicting secondary classifier for the shirt is deleted, and the robot looks for the subject.
There you are.
The robot is now retraining the secondary classifier for the shirt and comparing it to the previously trained shirt's color.
You changed your shirt. If you start walking, I will follow you.
Again, the robot follows the subject using the secondary classifier for the now green shirt in the absence of a visible face. Once more, it becomes confused by a stranger with a similarly colored shirt.
I will look for you.
This time, because the face is visible, the robot correctly identifies the stranger despite the positive secondary classification and will look again for the subject.
There you are.
The shirt is being retrained and compared to the previously trained shirt, which this time is the same shirt.
You are still wearing the same shirt. If you start walking, I will follow you.
This demonstration and its accompanying presentation earned the UT Austin Villa team second place at the 2007 RoboCup at Home competition. The demonstrated capabilities represent an important step towards the eventual goal of achieving fully autonomous assistive robots in domestic environments.